back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit fun. We're going to be cleaning all of my beauty tools that I use on a daily basis, and I'm going to be using the Dr. Bronner's soap in the peppermint scent. I just bought it yesterday at Trader Joe's if you want to check out my haul I just posted. I've heard a lot of great things about this natural cleaner. You can dilute it and use it for so many different things. I even used it in the shower last night as body wash and to shave my legs, and I think it works really well as a cleaner as well. You can just dilute it in a spray bottle or use it directly, so that's what I did. So this is what it looks like. I know it comes in a bunch of different scents and things like that, but I did get the peppermint for this time of year, and my bathroom smells amazing after using this. So if you want to see how I clean my beauty tools, then keep on watching. So first I'm just taking my Dr. Bronner's soap. Here I'm showing you, it's a peppermint scent. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just put some of that soap directly on it, get it wet, and kind of work it through my hands. And you'll see just all the gunk that gets stuck in your beauty blender coming right off, along with some of that pink color, and that's normal. Every time you wash your beauty blender, that pink tends to fade. So I'm just working this in, lathering it up, and rinsing it out. And usually it takes a couple times before it gets really clean. I used to just use Johnson's baby shampoo, which works pretty well too, but I'm trying out this Dr. Bronner's because it has so many uses and it's all natural, and it just smells absolutely delicious. Just taking a little bit more and doing the same thing again. The soap is really, really concentrated, so you don't need much of it. I find that just a tiny drop here and there really does a great job at cleaning. Squeeze it all out, and it's pretty clean. Just setting that aside. Now on to my makeup brushes. So for this, I actually have a little dish that I'm going to use. It makes it a little bit easier. So it's just a little plastic cup. I use it for face masks a lot, and I just got it on Amazon. It was really cheap. But I just put a little bit of the soap in there, and then stick my brush directly in it, get a little bit on there, and get it wet and work it into my hand just to get all that makeup out. What I really love about using this all-natural soap is that my skin won't break out from all the harsh chemicals. I know that sometimes you forget about things that you clean, things that you put your face, or put onto your face. So things like your makeup brushes or your cleaning brush or things like that, anything you use to clean it can still break your skin out. And I have very sensitive skin and very acne prone skin, so I'm constantly looking for good things to use on my face and to clean my brushes with so that I don't break out. I am trying a new face wash with this Dr. Bronner's, and I will be doing a video all about how to make your own natural face wash, and I will let you guys know. I want to try it out for a little bit before I make the video, just to, you know, make sure my skin doesn't react to it. But I'm really excited, and that was the main reason why I did buy this Dr. Bronner's soap. But it has so many other amazing uses throughout the house just for cleaning. So I was trying those uses out, and then also just using it as a general soap. I mean, I used it in the shower last night to wash my body and shave, and I know you can use it in your hair. There's just so many uses for it. So it's really an all-around great product, and you really get your money's worth out of it because it lasts forever because it is so concentrated. So here I'm just still scrubbing my brushes out. This one was super dirty. I haven't washed my kabuki brush in a long time. and I use that for like my Bare Minerals face powder. So I really had to give this one a good clean. Let me know in the comments below how you guys like to wash your makeup brushes and your beauty tools. I'm constantly looking for new ideas when it comes to cleaning, but I like to use pretty natural products like Method or Mrs. Meyer's or this Dr. Bronners or even just essential oils. I'm always looking for healthy alternatives to cleaning products. But obviously I want something that's going to work, so I'm not opposed to using chemicals. I just try to eliminate them as much as I can in my daily life. My makeup brushes are Morphe, by the way. I absolutely love them. I think they're such high quality for the price, and I got them for my birthday last year, which is crazy that I've already had them for a year because my birthday's coming up in about a month. But these really hold up. They don't shed at all, and they apply your makeup really smooth and flawlessly. And this is not a sponsored video. I just absolutely love Morphe brushes. I know Jaclyn Hill here on YouTube is a creator with Morphe, and she made this whole set that I got, and I just adore her. I think she's fabulous. So I had to try out her makeup brushes, and I do really like them. So I'm mostly just doing my face brushes. A lot of my eye brushes I didn't even really touch. I haven't been wearing a lot of eyeshadow lately. So I mostly just clean my face brushes just because that's what you're applying your foundation with every day, and bacteria really gets stuck in them and powder and things like that. So I spent a lot of time on my face brushes, and then I did clean a couple eye brushes, but for the most part, a lot of my eyeshadow brushes I haven't used since the last time I cleaned them, so that is why I have so many brushes that I did not clean. I love this big powder brush. It's so soft and fluffy. And then here you see my Naked palette. This is where I use my eyeshadow brush. Anytime I'm wearing eyeshadow, it's usually from this Naked palette, so I just use the brush that came with it. So I'm washing that brush because it was dirty, but the rest of my eyeshadow brushes are pretty clean. And I think that is it. Maybe one more brush here. This brush I like to use for my highlight. Now just cleaning out that little bowl that I was using. Cleans really easily. So here are the finished clean makeup brushes just laying out to dry. I can see my sink got kind of gross, so I'm using that same Dr. Bronner's cleaner. I just diluted it in an all-purpose spray bottle. So you take about a quarter of a cup of this soap, and then you fill up the rest of the bottle with water, and it makes a really nice all-purpose cleaner that's yummy and peppermint smelling. So I just spray down my sink. And then I'm taking a cleaning rag and just wiping everything down. Make sure I get all that makeup residue. Oh, my bathroom just smells so yummy between the brushes and this cleaner. I highly recommend this peppermint scent for this time of year. Getting in between the handles, that's the worst. Never gets clean. Now I'm going to go ahead and wash my Clarisonic. This needs a deep clean. There's like a bunch of gross skin and yucky scum grossness in there. So I'm just taking that Dr. Bronner soap directly and applying it to the inside of my Clarisonic. And then I'm just going to rinse that with some water to get all that gunk out of there. I try to do this about once a month just to really clean out the inside. You forget about the inside of your tools, but they get really disgusting. So then I'm plugging the sink and putting some more of that soap inside and just soaking everything. So I'll soak the handle, and then I will take the little brush head and clean that as well, and then leave it to soak for a few minutes just to kind of sanitize it and clean it. Make sure you guys go check out my skincare routine. I'm constantly changing new things about it, but it gives you a good idea of what I do to clean my skin. I love my Clarisonic. I think it's fabulous and worth the investment. Just kind of rinsing all of that. And then taking that brush head and letting it air dry with my makeup brushes. Same with the handle. Now I'm taking my hairbrush and I'm going to soak that in this mixture as well. So get that really clean, and then I will get all of the yucky hair that gets stuck in all the bristles out. Sometimes I think it's easier when it's wet. Sometimes I just do it when it's dry, but today I wanted to really clean all my stuff. So just cleaning out all that hair. I shed like it's my job. Let me know in the comments below if you guys feel the same way. Like, I feel like I'm a dog that's shedding my coat every day pretty much. Sometimes I swear there's more hair on the ground than there is on my head. As you can see, big hairball. So getting rid of that. Letting my hairbrush dry, and now taking my toothbrush and taking the head off, and then submerging the base in that same water. Then I take my toothbrush head, and I have this really nifty little UV cleaner. So I put the toothbrush head in there, close it, and then press the green button, and it uses UV light to clean the bacteria off your brush head, which is pretty cool. Now I'm just going to take that same all-purpose spray and spray the bottom. And wipe it down. There always tends to be a ring of scum that gets on this, so I like to do this pretty often. Then I just take my toothbrush head and put it back on the charger, and I'm all done. So that was me cleaning my beauty tools today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more cleaning videos or any more videos with that Dr. Bronner soap. I plan on making a DIY face wash here in the near future. So thanks again, guys, and have a good one. Bye.